press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
हाय प्रिया, वेलकम टू IWM बस। क्या आप अपने कैरेक्टर के बारे में कुछ बता सकते हो?
So I'm playing Purnima Gaikwad, who's a very controlled, balanced personality. She knows what she's saying. She is very poised. बहुत काबिल है और बहुत ही ज़्यादा होशियार भी है और उसकी कुछ ख्वाब है. She has a dream to eventually and finally be the successor after her father, but whether she can make her dream come true or not is the journey that she will also explore through all the 10 episodes of the series City of Dreams, and that's what Purnima is. Fearless, limitless, और बहुत ही कॉन्फिडेंट, लेकिन फिर भी घरेलू है. शी इज़ अ हाउस वाइफ, शी हैज़ अ फैमिली, शी लव्स एंड अडोर्स एंड रिस्पेक्ट्स हर फैमिली. बट अगर उससे उसका हक मिलने से अगर कोई रोकता है, so then she will probably have to fight back and see where she can go. That's the journey she'll be exploring, and I'm sure viewers will also explore through her in the 10 episodes.
एक सीन था जहाँ पे आप कंफ्यूज्ड हो कि हाउसवाइफ पॉलिटिक्स कैसे हैंडल करेगी. उस सीन के बारे में प्लीज कुछ बताइए.
I also think that one part of Purnima Gaikwad is that she's very obedient. She's always been told by her family what to do or not to do. So अगर वो ये कह रही है कि वो हाउसवाइफ है, मतलब उसका कंडीशनिंग वैसे हुआ है कि बिकॉज यू आर अ हाउसवाइफ यू आर नॉट सपोज टू बी अ पार्ट ऑफ दिस. बट डज शी रियली थिंक that she is a housewife and she should not get into politics, or does she think that she is any less than her brother? Then no, she doesn't. She also says to him that I am probably more capable than you are for this seat, and her struggle is to fight in this patriarchal society. We are all born that way. And we are a part of the society where we every day have to fight to get what we want to get and be what we want to be, and that's what she's going to do.
क्या challenges face किए आपने कैरेक्टर प्ले करते टाइम?
Not challenges as such, but I will definitely say that I am not as introvert and composed as Purnima is. I am more extrovert. I will say whatever will make an impact.
She is a kind of a person who will say less and act more. But I am definitely not that kind of a person. I don't keep things. Know that if we decide to achieve something, we will push ourselves and we will be fearless and we will be limitless. So playing that you have not done before. So the kind of preparation that I honestly did was I did work on so for that I also trained myself like that in the gym. I used to work out a lot. At the same time, I keep myself very controlled and composed as much as I could, because if I am, and only for that particular time, composed, and I tried to avoid things that would have probably affected that intense space that I wanted to be in. It was a wonderful experience. It was more overwhelming experience because it's my digital debut. It's my first web series and I get to work with Nagesh Kuknur. And it was on the first day only I shot the scene from the episode 6 and 7. So you actually haven't even started working on the character and you suddenly mark my pauses and mark my I'm not a kind of a method actor. I'm more of a spontaneous actor. I will take in all the brief that's been given to me by the director, and then I series which has impacted Purnima's character, but I have never witnessed how they have shot the scene, how other person has performed. I have to imagine that in my head and do it. It's all because then you are, you just have to be focused and there entire completely there. You can't just that it's going to be directed by Nagesh Kuknur, and there was no reason why I should say no to it. But the second important thing is that our applause is it's a Nagesh Kuknur production and Kuknur Movies production, and thank you. Thank you.